Hello friends, today we are going to make a dry oyster mushroom recipe. This is one of the very popular type of mushroom which is linked to several health benefits and are highly nutritious.
HTC fam, fun and food.
Let's get started. First, we'll open both the packets with the help of a scissor. Pour it out in a bowl. Now, let's add hot water over it. And with the help of the spoon, let's dab and press down gently and let it remain soaked for about 3 to 4 minutes. After a couple of minutes, the mushroom gets a little bit soft now. Let's split them apart into some smaller pieces. And we'll also cut out and remove the harder part of it. Now it's in a perfect condition to us. Let's drain out the unwanted water and keep washing them several times. And I will transfer the mushroom into a strainer for easy and a proper wash. Let's clean 4 more times for about 4 to 5 times. You can do it, depends on your convenience. Here you can see it is very clean now. Let's drain out the excess water by sieving and sacking a bit like this. It is ready to be cooked now. So let's begin. In a preheat pan, we'll add 2 tablespoons of refined oil. After a minute, we'll add a finely chopped onions, green chillies. Stir well and wait till onions gets golden brown. Now we can see the change in color a bit. Let's add a garlic and a ginger paste. Still wear a bit. Now, time to add some chopped potatoes. Let's combine well and we'll add a little bit of cumin seeds and Masala seeds. And turmeric powder. Let's combine well and we'll close the lid and let it simmer for about 2 to 5 minutes in a medium flame. Let's open the lid and let's add a green peas. Let's combine them well. Let's close the lid again to get it simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes. We can now see the potatoes and the peas are getting half cooked. Let's add a spring onion, a red chili powder, cumin powder, and black pepper. Let's combine well. We'll now add salt for taste. Now it's time to add our mushroom. The quantity of the mushroom that we use in today's recipe is of 100 grams, combining both the packets. Let's combine them well. And we'll now close the lid and let it simmer for about 10 to 20 minutes in a medium flame. And in the meantime, we have to go on checking it time to time so as not to let it burn at the bottom. Now let's open the lid, and to add flavor we'll add garam masala, and a fresh coriander leaves. Combine well. And we'll close the lid for about 2 to 3 minutes again. After 2 minutes, we can see it's perfectly cooked now. So let's turn off the flame and it's ready to be served. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and to support our channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.